Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bin in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bin. There are two identical door bins used in this refrigerator. They are used for storing jars, smaller bottles, and the like. The main reason to replace the door bin is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side French door. To remove the old door bin, we need to press it up, and then we can take it out. This is the old door bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bin, we're going to bring it in, slide it in between those pins here, and then I'm going to press it down and it will lock. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.